Class 9 and 10, Unit 7, Lesson 3, C, Flashback.
In 1987, Partho Pratim Majumdar was awarded the Master of Mime Award by Jogesh Mime Academy, the only mime academy in India. He was named as the Master of the World by the Journalist Association of Malaysia the same year. In 2009, Majumdar was bestowed with the highest European honor for theatre. The Molière Award was followed by Munir Chaudhuri Award from Bangladesh. In 2010, Majumdar received the highest Bangladeshi award, the Ekushe Padak. But Majumdar did not stop there. He went on working hard till he obtained the highest French honor ever to be bestowed upon a mime artist, Knight in Order of Arts and Humanities, in 2012.